Welcome to Ben Noom Design.
In this part, we will start to get familiar with VIA and let's see first how we can open it. And the most straightforward way is to just double-click its icon. And this way we will open visuals to the code. This is what we get the first time we open it. Notice this purple bar here at the bottom. This means that we don't have any project or easier said folder open inside the code. I can just use the command code and that's it. Let's now see and inspect the interface, and this is what we get. And notice the purple bar means that we have no open folder. This is the welcome screen. And here we can, get some tips, some recent open the folders. Let's open a folder. And I will just close this welcome screen. And this is the initial interface. This is an Explorer view. And because I don't have any open folder, it will not show me anything. Let me just open a folder, and I can either do this from the menu right here and open a recent folder. Like, for example, these ideas test scores folder. And now that I have opened this folder, I can explore it right here on the left. This is the Explorer view. And this bar right here is called the activity bar, in which we have some shortcut buttons, 2 different views. Yeah, the most important one or the most used one is, of course, the Explorer view. And here on the bottom, we have the status bar. And as you can see, now that we have a folder open, it is a blue and it will show us different information regarding our project or our currently open file. For example, here I am on it shows me my current Gaeta branch. I mean, if I will open a file, for example, this JSON, you will see that we will get some more information like for here, like, for example, the current position of our cursor. If I click this, I will be able to say, hey, go to a different line, like, for example, 23, and you will give me this line. This is especially useful for very big files. Yet again, this will show me the spacing for this file. I can play around with this. This will show me the encoding, and this is yet very important. It tells me the file type. For example, we are now using a JSON file. Usually this will go automatically. So currently it also detects what kind of file we have opened. I have, for example, here a JSON. I can open a markdown file and it will tell me, hey, you have a markdown. But if for some reason your file isn't recognized, you can just click this and select the type of files you want the code to help you with. You can see here there is an extensive list of files VS Code supports. And as you will proceed with your projects and with your code, you will install extensions and things will get more and more complex. The status bar will show you all the information we need, and you will see as the time will go by, it will get more and more crowded. Let's proceed in the next picture for the only shortcut you will ever need in this code. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.